business and expectations of like women, African women, maybe women all over the world.
One Zambia, one Copa.
est venu de prendre le risque de la paix, car le risque le plus grand pour l'Arménie,
He's asking,
He is not refused.